Oh, that. Big up on yourself, viewers. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Where you are now? May I take you in your show and I enjoy your vibe? Where you are now, Ramadan?
Why?
Why?
Want a little
What are you
reading?
reading?
You see, me I go through all kind of things.
Let me tell you something. Let me say something to you. Pretty Dan, let me tell you something. You know what the problem with you is? Your love with your heart. You don't love with your head. And when you love with your heart, you ain't a problem. Because guess what, me know? Let me clarify something. All what you talk about you and your girl and whatever, ain't no time no in and nothing. You just rate the girl genuinely from your heart. You're attracted to who she is and she accept you as who she is and loyal and can talk. And you have that connection or genuine love. You hold each other. Ain't no time no in this. Ain't no witchcraft in this. Witchcraft is in the part with your mother where them obey your mother and try to obey you from Jamaica days and your mother them try to show obey to make your mother sicky and them something there. That's the witchcraft you have to talk about. But you know witchcraft is not and you in your love affair, your girl just really love you. You get me?
We
We
artists. We
acting.
know
We
some
know
time.
some time no boy. I love you, love her. A genuine love. But listen, let me explain something to you. You see the way you show your love, you show your love in your rough way, your tug way. That's your energy. That's you. But this girl fears say you cheat on her or deal with somebody else. So she just jealous of you. I just love go on the other side. We're wrong. And you guys going to be back together soon. Maybe after today we're not there. Because the RT boss come in. And the girl ain't working no witchcraft. So the love is true. But them just can't agree. Hey, now listen to me viewers. Me not the mix up. Bang, bang.
Can't agree.
Yeah, they can't agree. But we don't have it there. But let me say this though. Let me say this, Pretty Dan. You have a lot of viewers, and the viewers need to know something about Pretty Dan. You see, Pretty Dan is a real person. If she's not a hypocrite. If she don't like you, she tell you she don't like you. She real. She keep it 100. I think one of Pretty Dan's biggest downfall is her mouth too real, so she run with people. But she's okay. But I want you to know something, Pretty Dan. Be careful of people come around you and drive police on you. Be careful, because I see police are come right in at that house. The way you're there. And I'm gonna tell you why. Round the next round behind you, some things is going on with some guy around there when straight and he might do some bandul or something. So because they might do the bandul or something, feds are gonna come in and raid up the place and through sometime you bundle or something. So some raiding out for go on behind you with them boy they went alright, we are selling liquor something. So don't try to get involved because of your friend them when the cops come for the something. Pretty than you come for your show, you know, I just warn you. My ambulance too. Pretty than what you have to say?
Me not believe.
You don't believe. Why you not believe?
You?
You two and five?
Well,
What?
we know about
You
we
know
know about
what?
your
You know
hook
about
up.
the hookup part.
Because
Mm-hmm.
some of the
Because
family
some of
little
the family
too
little too
successful.
successful.
You know woke up your
You don't
phone.
hook up your phone. Alright, let me go deeper with that part. Your mother has you, and while she has you with your father, she go through the roughest pregnancy and witchcraft in her entire life. She even almost lose you just because of you and the man, and people are trying to kill her to have you. Your mother been through all.
Mom in a light that talk there. Auntie.